Welcome to the Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 11. My next video, which will be published at 8 AM on Saturday the 21st of January 2023, is a video of the last time I took the swamp duck out, and that was on the 5th and 6th of November 2022, when I took the swamp duck from here up along the Trent and Mersey Canal up to Swarkestone. And I paid particular attention to filming going through the Western Lock as a single-handed boater. It includes some very nice South Korean music, as well as music produced by Steve exclusively for the channel. So please join me at 8 AM on Saturday the 21st of January 2023. Cheers.
누군가 내민 두 손으로 어루만져주며